In this video, I'll be showing you how to see enemies better in Apex Legends and make the game more colorful. Start by opening Apex Legends. Open the settings. Go to Video. Set your brightness between 50 and 80. I'll set mine to 70. Set the Sprint View Shake to minimal. Make sure you use a field of view between 90 and 110. This will widen your view so you can see players to the sides easier. Disable volumetric lighting, spot shadow detail, and dynamic shadows. Set the model details to low. This will remove the cluttered texture so you can see better. Turn the effects detail to low to make it easier to see when explosions or flares are on screen. Apply your settings. Next, you will need Nvidia GeForce Experience. I'll include the link in the description. If you're on a console or using an AMD graphics card, then you can try following along by adjusting your monitor color settings to best match. Open the in-game overlay. The default shortcut is Alt+Z on your keyboard. Click Game Filter on the left. Select one of the numbers to create a new filter. Choose the Add Filter drop menu. Add a brightness and contrast layer. Set exposure to 0. Contrast to 30. Highlights to 0. Shadows between -30 and -80. Gamma to 22. This will brighten Apex Legends' overall appearance and make it easier to see enemies hiding in the shadows. Add another filter and choose Sharpen. Set Sharpen to 70. Finally, set Ignore Film Grain to 100. This will make important details stand out. If you'd like to make Apex Legends more colorful, then add a color filter. Set everything to 0 and vibrance between 20 and 50. You can toggle on and off the filter to see a before and after. Close the overlay and your game should look more colorful and vibrant. Alternatively, you can add color to your entire monitor instead. This will have less impact on your FPS. Head to the desktop. Right-click on the desktop and choose Nvidia Control Panel. Select Adjust Desktop Color Settings from the left panel. Choose the monitor you use to play Apex. Scroll down and set the digital vibrance between 50 and 80. Apply to confirm changes, then close. Your monitor and the games you play will now have more color.